Okay, today we're going to talk about graphing lines, all right? Graphing linear equations. So now, the first thing we want to do when we look at these, we want to examine this. We have y equals negative 2/3 x plus 4. The first thing we need to do is say, okay, this slope is negative. So the first thing I want to do is notice that my slope is equal to a negative 2/3. Automatically, that's going to tell me that my line is falling from left to right. Why is that? Because my slope is negative. My y-intercept is going to be 4. That's in y equals mx plus b form. Okay. Now, this is what we have to do to graph it. This tells us a lot about our line right here. So the first thing we need to do is we want to come to the point 0, 4. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 4. We want to draw our y-intercept at the point 0, 4. That's 0 on the x-axis, 4 on the y-axis. Then we know our slope is negative 2/3. Now, we've already learned that our slope is the rise over the run. So we know we're going to come over 3 units, 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to try to draw this 1, 2, 3, and then down 2 units, 1, 2. And from this point, we just need to draw our line through these 2 points, and that is our line. It's going to be accurate. And that's how we graph it. Okay, let's look at this next one. We have y is equal to 3x minus 2. The first thing we should do is examine it. Y equals 3x minus 2, our slope. Our slope is going to be 3. But remember, how do we write 3 as a fraction? That is what? 3 over 1. That's a whole number. It's positive, so we know that our line is going to rise. Remember, any line with a negative slope is going to fall. Any line with a positive slope is going to rise. Our y-intercept is going to be negative 2. So once again, the first thing that we want to do here is come down to 0 and negative 2. Okay, on our y-axis, 0, negative 2. And we go over 1 unit and up 3 units. That's over 1 unit, then up 3. 1, 2, 3. Draw this a little better. All right, and from here, once again, we want to connect our dots through here. We connect it a little bit better and make sure we hit both points. Okay, and that's our line. That's how we graph y is equal to 3x plus 2. Now, last, this is a little different. And we still just adhere to what we've already learned. Here, if we notice, we have no slope. M is equal to 0. So that automatically tells us that our line will be horizontal. Our line, if your slope is 0, the line will be horizontal. So M is equal to 0, and then B is equal to 3. So once again, our y-intercept, we come to 0, 3. And remember, it's not going up or down. It's going what? Horizontal. To this point, y is equal to 3. So these are just 3 quick examples of how we want to graph lines. And always remember, a line with a positive slope rises, a line with a negative slope falls, and a line with a slope of 0 is horizontal.